How do you pronounce these sad word? Let's break down the pronunciations. In British English in the UK it's said as condolences, 4 syllables, stress on the second syllable, says. Condolences in the US it's said rather similarly as condolences. How do you pronounce these sad word? Let's break down the pronunciations. In British English in the UK it's said as condolences, 4 syllables, stress on the second syllable, says. Condolences in the US it's said rather similarly as condolences. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.